The exciting world of cryptocurrency has grown in popularity, reaching more and more people every day. At Cash2Bitcoin, we can help you get started. Our Bitcoin ATMs make it easy to start purchasing cryptocurrency with cash, such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. If you are a new customer, you will need to fill out a new profile before purchasing at one of our ATMs. Now that you've created a profile, tap the screen and press Buy Coins. From here, you can select the amount of currency you wish to purchase. For security purposes, our ATM will verify your account through your phone number, and depending on the amount, additional information may be required. Once you've entered your phone number, you'll receive a text message containing a verification code. Use this code with the ATM to verify your information. Now, select which type of currency you would like to purchase. After your selection, you may choose where to send the currency. You can use your paper wallet or manually enter an address. Once everything is complete, you can select if you would like a receipt. After that, you're all set. With the Cash2Bitcoin ATM, you'll grow confident in the cryptocurrency market. Plus, as a frequent buyer, you become eligible to earn VIP status that unlocks discounted rates at all Cash2Bitcoin ATMs. Locate the nearest Bitcoin ATM by visiting cash2bitcoin.com and get started today.